Oh, well, hello, good morning. I'm Miss D. Welcome back to my channel. I certainly wasn't expecting you here, but thank you for joining me. Well, this is rather strange, but I guess, you know what? It looks like my bed is a mess, which is normal for me. It looks like I fight alligators every night when I sleep, but I'm gonna quickly show you how to make your bed. I'm just gonna actually show you a quick trick that I like to do before I get out of bed in the morning to make making your bed easier. Studies have shown that if you do make your bed, it gives you a feeling of accomplishment and a little bit of less chaos in your life. So it is a really good thing to make your bed every single day. I do. The only times that I don't is when I'm not feeling well. So I am just going to reposition myself here. Okay, so what I normally do is just take my sheets and pull them up like this, because goodness knows where they were last night, and just kind of make everything a little more tight. And then do the same thing with my duvet. Push my duvet down, and then take my blanket and my sheet and give it, and just kind of lay it easily across me, really, and then make my way out of my bed. So I'm gonna do something about this situation, and I'll be right back to finish this off. Well, this situation is a whole lot better, right? Okay, so let's finish off the bed. I have kind of tightened it on either side, made sure that the blanket is pulled down to the end of my bed at the bottom, and we just basically have to finish this off. So I'll quickly show you what I'm gonna do, and also make it really easy to get into your bed at the end of the day with the way that I'm going to finish my bed, okay? So we've got our blanket and flat sheet folded over one another and pulled up to the base of my pillows. Then I'm going to take my duvet and just fold it right to the edge of my pillows as well. I'll go over and do the other side quickly. There we have our made bed. I do still have to take care of the pillows though, but I'll show you how easy it is to get into your bed now. Just simply fold that over and hop right in, and you're ready to go. But for this time, we'll just keep it like this. I'm going to put my pillow shams on my pillow. That looks lovely. And then finally, I have some little throw pillows that just finish the bed off to perfection. So there we go. There is our made bed. It's all ready for us. It just takes that little edge off of our mind for the rest of the day. We know something is in order at home, even if the rest of our day is chaos with kids running around from school to practice to whatever they've got going, and all the commitments that we have in our lives. It's nice to know that our bed is just ready for us at the end of the day, nice and tight and ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, maybe had a laugh, maybe it's something that you're like, Misty, I know how to make my bed. But if you enjoyed, please give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, and there's a little bell button right beside. Give that a little click and you will be notified the next time I upload a video. Please follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.